Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to export files with Media Encoder. Let's begin! Let's start. If you use Adobe software called Media Encoder, this allows you to export multiple files at the same time. Now we will try exporting YouTube and Facebook videos at the same time using Media Encoder. From the menu bar, select File, select Export, select Media to open Export Settings box. Select Format H.264, Preset YouTube 1080p Full HD. Click the Q button. After clicking Q, the Media Encoder program will automatically run. Now we will operate the Media Encoder. The file we want to export was added to the Q panel. Press the duplicate button to copy export settings. I will continue to change the duplicate export settings. Leave the format H.264. Change the preset to Facebook 1080p Full HD. Now you have completed the settings for 2 files. Finally, click Start Queue in the upper right-hand corner to start queue. You can check the progress in the encoding panel. Next, I will introduce how to export multiple sequences at the same time. Press Ctrl and click multiple sequences at the same time. Right-click the selected sequence. From the drop-down list, select Export Media. Unlike before, the export settings without a preview screen will be displayed. Click the Q button when the export setting is decided upon. Multiple sequences were added to the Q panel. Click Start Queue to start the queue process. This concludes my explanation on how to use the Media Encoder. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.